How to change SSD drive on MacBook. Before you proceed to upgrade your SSD hard, you should back up the operating system and data. To back up this so that later you can restore all your data and operating system back to the new hard disk. Now take out 10 screws. When did you take out all these? Place them in correct order so that later you can put the right one back in the right hole. Now take out the back cover. Next we're going to need to disconnect the battery connector. Just put your finger and lift up the battery connector. Lift it up high enough so that it will not come back down. Otherwise you may cause a short circuit. Next we're going to remove the screws. There's one pentable screws that's holding down SSD drive. Now lift up the SSD card. Lift up gently, not too hard. So once you get the new one you can push it back and tilt it at a slight angle and then push into the slot. And now we're going to put the wheel back on. After that we're going to reconnect the battery connector. After this, place the cover back on. You can start the MacBook now. Press on the Command and the R together, and with the right hand press and hold power button. Hold power button until you see Apple logo, but continue to hold Command and R until we are going to see utility screen. Here you click on Restore from Time Machine. Make sure that you plugged in your MacBook while backup drive. Click on Continue to choose a backup to restore to your SSD drive. Your SSD drive changed on your MacBook now. We do also have most electronics brand components in stock, such as Apple Mac LCD, top case, keyboard, SSD, logic board and more for immediate shipping. This video is provided by Tronics Center. For more details please visit our website, www.tronicscenter.com, and contact us on support@tronicscenter.com or support@bazarzone.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.